Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal, and I'm here in Lachine at the rebuilding facility for trains, CADRail, and we have some interesting stuff here. There's the locomotive, the GMD1. This is their shop switcher. Here looks like an old SD40-2. All gray. Here's an AC4400CW and SD70 ACE sitting there. And then this looks like a CWM, AC4400CWM sitting here at CADRail in the shop siding. So I have to wonder if they're going to be moving these trains out, these locomotives out, up onto the main line at some point, since they have the switcher over here now, and they could easily push those things up the ramp for delivery to CP, or push them around into the shop building for further modifications, which may be what's going to happen. And I think the guy that was over here was turning the brake wheel, if I'm not mistaken. I saw him over there, and that is the brake wheel. So we could see these locomotives moving shortly. And down there is the CP bridge, and they are moving these locomotives. Oh, they're moving that locomotive. They're not moving these locomotives. So I don't know what modifications they would do over there at CADRail for some of these newer locomotives. They do remanufacture engines and remanufacture rail cars. Hopefully you can hear what I'm saying over this wind. I came here hoping to get a train over there on the CP bridge, but even if that doesn't happen, at least it wasn't a wasted bike trip just to see these locomotives sitting here. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And I really don't think that GMD1 is going to come back. Not for a while. Alright, have a good day.